Now we are with our winning coach, Coach Yenge of Raiders. And Coach, congratulations. Parang deja vu nung last game against San Miguel. You lose a big lead. You give the other team a chance to win in the fourth quarter. What are the lessons that should be learned by now? Because maybe sa next game, Coach, you don't escape with a victory.
Ano parati yan, it's always a mental collapse. No? It's just relaxing when you feel that you have a good lead. Madalas mangyari pero andun pa rin yung swerte. No? One of these nights, hindi namin masosurvive yung ganong mga rally. But hanggang may momentum, hanggang sunuswerte, we'll take the wins. No? A win is a win. We have 6 wins. I think it's good enough to make the quarters. But para makasigurado, kailangan siguro mga 7 wins. Also, we wanted this win really for Gabe. No, we did not want to disappoint him on his day of jersey retirement. Mas masaya si Gabe pag maganda yung nilaro ng team. So it's really an effort, no, by the team just to keep honoring Gabe's legacy sa franchise namin.